solving low-dimensional problems with high-dimensional solutions. There is no problem that cannot be solved. You just need to elevate to a higher dimension. For Earthlings, migrating to Mars seems challenging, but for a higher dimensional being like Elon Musk, it's not a problem. Using a smartphone in remote mountains without electricity or base stations is difficult for humans, but for a higher dimensional being like Musk, it's an easy task. With smart navigation systems, even without a map, one can drive to unfamiliar cities without getting lost and wasting time. Can you have a face-to-face conversation with someone thousands of miles away? From a conventional perspective, it's impossible, but today's smartphones have solved this problem. There is no such thing as an impossible task. There are only tasks that we lack the knowledge or mental capacity to understand. When AI intelligence surpasses 200 IQ points, all the world's nuclear weapons will automatically become obsolete and non-functional. This is called a dimensionality reduction strike. Once former glories are crushed by higher dimensions, decline is inevitable. When decline and downfall occur, no amount of lamenting will help. We once believed that men and women must marry as a life norm, but with the birth of the second home, we realized that traditional marriage and family life are a boundless sea of suffering. We discover that in today's era, all efforts to maintain family harmony, guide parents on how to educate children, and so forth are ignorant and foolish. Marriage and family are bound to decline, and any attempts to salvage them through moral preaching are merely desperate struggles and cries of helplessness. When the higher dimensional second home emerged, traditional modes of production and living became so ugly and outdated that they were unbearable to look at. Problems that humanity could not solve for thousands of years, such as corruption, theft, robbery, fraud, bullying, exploitation, oppression, gambling, prostitution, drug addiction, hunger, wealth disparity, jealousy, conflict, turmoil, and war, can all be easily resolved through Lifechanyuan's principles and the second home model. What about nations? Nations that have appeared strong and stable for thousands of years will quickly crumble and vanish like a passing breeze when AI arrives. Living in times of epochal transition, we are exposed daily to thrilling high-dimensional information, overlooking earth-shattering changes in human society. Experiencing such exciting times coming to Earth is truly worthwhile. July 1st, 2024,